Yeah, hi guys. Today I thought I'll give you a quick update. I'm in my car because I was doing some work on my Subi and ran into a problem. So I bought a wastegate actuator for my Subaru. So I got a JDM STI Forester. So it's got a VF41 Turbo, the factory one. So when I went to the tuner, he said just get the factory actuator upgraded. So which is this one here. Again, it was a pain to remove it as well. They had 3 bolts there and it was pretty tight space as well, so it took me a while. And when I went to fit the new one, the bracket looks the same, but it's not actually. So see, if you see here, it's got an indent, and so it just basically brings the actuator a little bit forward towards the turbo. But on this one, it just sits straight, and the actuator itself is about another 2 to 3 millimeters bigger than the factory one, so it didn't actually quite fit. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it to a metal fabricator and ask them to remove this and use the factory bracket with the Mamba, the one that I bought, and see if that fits. So it's a bit more work to be done, but the rest is fine. Looks like the arm is about the same length, and again you can adjust this as well. Now this one comes with 5 or 6 springs, so this one's got a 15 psi spring already installed when we send it, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. So you can, so 15 means you can run it up to 30 psi, the double the spring rate, which is good. So, and anyway, I won't be running 30 psi anyways. So let's see how it goes. Great. So once I get that done, I'll show you the outcome. Great. Thanks guys. Hey guys, so I finally got the actuator done again. So if you saw the video earlier, I had to modify the factory actuator, had to remove that, and I had the Mamba one which didn't fit with their bracket, so I welded it into this one, so hopefully it fits. Right, so once the actuator has been installed, this is how it looks like. I had to mount it slightly kind of like in an angle, if you can see, because it wasn't straight, so the arm wasn't aligning straight to the flap on the turbo for the wastegate. So got it checked out with the current spring, so I got 0.8 spring installed on it, so which is nice, and everything's working as it should. So I hope this has been informative, and if you like, please subscribe and show some support. Thanks.